Close your eyes and we'll start. Come on. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat, Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Yes, rub your hands, come on, and put on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Yes, day after yesterday, I was going to take one new topic. So we are going to start that topic today. Yes, अपन तो topic आज start करना है. Yes. So what is the? Yes, we have done the homework. Very good. Some of the students are very particular about the studies. They do everything. Good. I can see. So children, yes, Rudransh, Devansh, I can see. Okay, everyone is going to show the homework. Okay, I will see. Yes, good. Riyan has also completed the letters. Very nice. Yes, yeah, I can see. Rudrani, very good. Swarup also has done. Okay, Sadhvi has also done. Yes. Yes, Vidhi, I can see. Yes, I can see, dear. Okay. Very good. Revised all the letters. Wow. Yes, your exam is going to come. So तुम्हाला सगळे letters revise करायचे. आणि ओरलच्या आधी सुद्धा. Good. Whatever you have confusion between before and after numbers, ते confusion तुमचं दूर होणार आहे, त्यामुळे त्याचं टेन्शन घेऊ नका. Okay? Yes, very nice. Okay, so students, shall we start with a new concept today? Yes. So I will share my screen. आणि काय आहे new concept? I will just show you. Okay? Yes. Can you see the screen? Yes, no. I will again share it. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please keep your mics on mute so we can continue. Okay? Yes. Okay. Can you see the children? Here are some pencil, some plant. Yes, can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Now, what is the concept, children? Sort. Sort म्हणजे काय? वेगळं काढायचं and count. We have to count it. किती आहे आपल्याला मोजायचे. So the first one, can you see here are some plants? These are the plants. Yes. There are some green stars. थोडे green stars आहेत. Just a minute. Okay. Green stars, some red stars. Earth is here, the map of earth and the pencil. So sort करायचंय. म्हणजे काय करायचंय? तुम्हाला count करायचंय की किती plants आहेत. Come on, everybody count. 1. This one is 1. 2. Yes.
3.
Very good. Okay, we will mark it. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3. So how many plants? 3 plants. Very good. Okay. Now, children, the next is star. So how many stars are there? Come on, green stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you will write here? Number 6. Number 6. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good. 6 green stars. Now the next one is red. Okay. So red, how many stars are there? 2 red stars. Yes. 1, This is one.
Two red diamond.
Two. So you will write number 2. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. The next is earth. Yes. So how many earth you can see? 1,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Very good. So you will write 5 number in the box. Okay. Keep your mics on mute. Please keep your mics on mute. Okay. Yes, I'm going to tell you in detail. Don't worry. Now, the next one is the pencil. So, how many pencil? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 pencils. Yes. 3 plants.
4 pencils.
Yes, 4 pencils. And 6 green stars. So this is your answer. Okay, like this you will do. Now we will try with the another one. Yes, come on. We will do the another one. Okay, just wait. Now this is the another one. Count and write. Okay. Count and write. म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय करायचंय? तुम्हाला count करायचंय. So what you will do?
Strawberry, apple.
Apples. How many apples are there? Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12.
12. Very good. So 1, 12.
4, 5,
1, 2, 12.
9,
Good, good.
11, 10, 14.
Okay. After finishing, please unmute it. Don't do chaos. Count with me only. Okay. Now we will count the flowers. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many flowers? 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Okay. Now the next one is pizza. So come on, let's count the pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes. So 1, 3, 13. Yes. 13. Count it properly, dear. It's 13, dear. Okay. Now the last one is the car. So come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Who told the answer? 1, 11. Yes. So this is the answer. 1, 11. Isn't it? Okay. Now the next one we will see. So children, have you understood these two concepts?
No difference.
Yes.
Now
Now wait.
difference.
Please keep your mics on mute. Yes. Please keep your mics on mute so I can explain them. Okay. Now the next concept is same or different. Same म्हणजे काय? सारखं. Different म्हणजे काय? त्याच्यापेक्षा काहीतरी वेगळं. Now, can you see children? In the first line, there are some strawberries. म्हणजे this line. I will explain you. Okay, just a minute. In this line, this whole line, can you see here are all strawberries? Yes. And only one banana is there. Isn't it? Only one banana is there. Yes. So All are strawberry. This is strawberry, this is strawberry, this is strawberry, and this is also strawberry, isn't it? But there is one different thing, that is this banana. So what they have told, cross out the picture that is different from the rest. म्हणजे जे डिफरंट आहे त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, क्रॉस. काय करायचंय, क्रॉस. ओके. Now in the second picture, all are pears and there is only one different apple. Yes, only the apple is different, so I have made a cross on apple. Okay. Now in the third picture, this picture, can you see this is grapes, this is also grapes, this is also grapes, this is also grapes, only cherry is different, so cross on cherry. का क्रॉस केलं, कारण बाकी सगळे आपले ग्रेप्स आहेत, ही एकटीच चेरी आहे, सो मी क्रॉस केलं, ती डिफरंट आहे म्हणून. Okay, now the next one you will tell me. This is watermelon, this is watermelon, this is strawberry, this is watermelon, and this is also watermelon. So what is different? Kai different hai? Strawberry. Very good. So put a cross on strawberry. Very good. Now the next one. Apple, 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 and grapes. So what is different? Different grapes. So put a cross on grapes. Yes, have you understood? Okay, one more we will do. Okay, this one. Now, again they have told you cross out the picture that is different from the rest. म्हणजे काय डिफरंट आहे त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, क्रॉस. ओके. तो पहिला पिक्चर मध्ये काय डिफरंट आहे, हू विल टेल?
क्रॉस.
कशावर पण? कॅन्डीवर. व्हेरी गुड. सो पुट अ क्रॉस ऑन कॅन्डी. Very good, very good. Okay, in the next picture, what is different? This first, second, third, or the last one? Mushroom. Mushroom is different, so I have put a cross on mushroom. Yes. Next one. Keep your mic on. Lock, 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 lock. Key is different. Okay. Now the next one is
Gift.
window. Gift is different. Very good. Gift is different. Very nice. Children.
Board.
And in the last one, boat and the tail. So what is different? Boat is different. Yes. Have you understood? Yes, yes. Good, good, good.
Yes.
Okay.
Rocket.
Yes, please keep your mics on mute. Everyone, please keep your mics on mute. Okay? So we can do the things. Yes, we can do the things properly. If you keep your mic on mute, it will be easy for us to understand. Okay? Yes, just a minute. Okay, again I will share my screen. Now no one will unmute. I will explain you. Okay? फक्त बघून घ्या की तुम्हाला काय करायचंय. And like this you can do at home. Yes? Okay. Next one. I will just share the screen again. आणि क्वेश्चन नीट वाचायचा आहे. क्वेश्चन काय आहे तो मम्माकडनं वाचून घ्यायचा आहे. सर्कल द पिक्चर दॅट इज डिफरंट. म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, सर्कल करायचंय कोणत्या पिक्चरला, जे डिफरंट आहे, जे वेगळं आहे. सो फर्स्ट इज रॉकेट, रॉकेट, कार and rocket. So what is different? Car. Yes. So I will circle to the car. No one will unmute. Please keep your mics on mute. Next is ball, plane. It is a, can you see some design is on the ball? Ball, ball. This is circle. So circle is different. Very good. Okay. Next one, flower, honeybee, flower, flower. What is different?
Honeybee म्हणा.
Flower.
Honeybee. Very good. Honeybee. Very good. Next is
Honeybee.
cycle, cycle, car.
Circle. Car.
Car. Very good. Car.
Aeroplane.
Next is car,
Aeroplane.
rocket, car, car. Yes, rocket.
Aeroplane.
Have you understood? Have you understood the concept? काय तुम्हाला concept कळलं का? Yes.
Yes.
किंवा जे काही सेम म्हणजे काय की सारखं आहे, सिमिलर, अँड डिफरंट मीन्स व्हॉट, जे वेगळं आहे. ओके, सो ओनली कीप दिस इन द माइंड and your concept will be clear. Now, if it is possible for me, I will share you some sheets that you do. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की मोबाईल मध्ये आपल्याला सगळं करता येतं. जर तुम्ही एडिट या ऑप्शनला गेला की तुम्हाला जे काही म्हणजे सर्कल करायचं असेल तुम्ही सर्कल करून घेऊ शकता. सो आय विल शेअर सम शीट्स विथ यू. I think so tomorrow I will share it with you. If it is possible for me to share the sheets, I will be sharing it today. Okay? आणि मी तुम्हाला शेअर शीट्स केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला ते शीट्स वर ड्रॉ करायचं. म्हणजे तुम्ही मोबाईल वरच ते एडिट करून म्हणजे जे पेन्सिल असतं ते ओपन करायचं आणि तिथे सर्कल करायचं. ओके, सो सेम अँड डिफरंट, द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ सेम अँड डिफरंट जर तुम्हाला कळले तर इट विल बी इझी बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू कम इन युअर एक्झाम. येस, सो बी प्रिपेअर फॉर इट. So everyone will today practice same and different. Same and different. Okay? Anybody has not understood? कुणाला कळलं नाही असं काय आहे का? You have not understood anything like this? Yes? Okay, everybody has understood. Yes, ma'am?
मॅम आजचा व्हिडिओ रेकॉर्ड झालेला आहे का?
Yes, yes, everything is recorded, ma'am. You will get it on YouTube. Don't worry. ओके, तुम्हाला युट्यूब लिंक हवी असेल तर मी शेअर करते. जस्ट
ओके, शेअर करून द्या मॅम प्लीज.
या शुअर. And one more thing students, as you are attending lecture for the many days, आता जे लोक आधीपासून करतायत त्यांना माहितीये, जे लोक आता जॉईन झाले, नो प्रॉब्लेम, यू हॅव टू शेअर युअर फीडबॅक म्हणजे तुम्हाला क्लासेस कसे वाटले, तुम्ही काय शिकला, तुमच्या चाइल्ड मध्ये काय काय चेंजेस दिसले ते तुम्हाला आम्हाला सांगायचे आहेत. सो आय विल गिव्ह यू वन मोर लिंक दॅट इज ऑफ फीडबॅक. म्हणजे तुम्हाला जे काही एक्सपिरियन्स आला या क्लासला अटेंड करून तो कसा होता हे फीडबॅक मध्ये तुम्हाला सांगायचं. सो आय एम गोइंग टू शेअर 2 लिंक्स. जी पहिली लिंक आहे ती युट्यूबची लिंक आहे आणि जी दुसरी लिंक आहे ती फीडबॅकची आहे. अँड प्लीज गिव्ह युअर फीडबॅक. जे काही तुम्हाला खरं तुमचं ओपिनियन आहे, आवडला नाही आवडला, समजलं नाही समजलं, एव्हरीथिंग यू कॅन पुट इट. हिंदी, मराठी, इंग्लिश, कोणत्याही लँग्वेज मध्ये फीडबॅक टाकला तरी चालणार. ओके, येस, सो प्लीज गिव्ह अस फीडबॅक. येस डिअर.
मॅम उद्याचा पण दिसेल ना व्हिडिओ युट्यूबला?
येस, सगळे व्हिडिओज रेकॉर्ड होतात. डोंट वरी, सगळे व्हिडिओज रेकॉर्ड होतात. तुम्हाला युट्यूबची लिंक दिली आहे, तुम्ही आधीचे पण व्हिडिओज जाऊन बघू शकता. जर चाइल्डला काही येत नसेल, समजलं नसेल तर यू कॅन गो अँड वॉच. ओके, येस, ऑल द व्हिडिओज आर बीइंग रेकॉर्डेड.
ओके.